Hello, my name is Saurahani Arufa, and today I want to interview some person. Here I am. And sister, what's your name?
My name is Hilya Korotaayun.
Okay, so I want to ask you some question. And the first question is, what do you think about learning in the classroom?
Learning in the classroom. Okay, in my opinion, learning in the classroom is very good because in the classroom we can also use all of the facilities in the classroom, especially for a students' university. There's a lot of digital TV or also a lot of any other facilities that we can do and also we can use in there. So I think it's good for the learning in the classroom.
Okay, I see. The next question is, do you enjoy learning in the classroom? Why and why not?
Actually, I enjoy learning in the classroom because not only about the facilities that already in the classroom, also I enjoy it because I doing the class activity also with my friends, all of my friends, and the lecture also very kind, and also the materials. It seems like easy to understand for me.
Okay. And the last question is, do you think learning in online better in learning online?
Offline and online, yeah.
Yeah.
Offline and online. I don't think so because it could be yes or it could be not gitu ya. Not only the learning classroom with the offline is better rather than online. Not exactly, but if for example if the weather or the day is rain, very hard rain, and I think it's better for doing online classroom, or even we have another event, especially the international day or any etc. It could be yeah off nothing class, or also it could be we can help in online like yesterday or last week after yeah Idul Fitri we do it, we held the classroom in online. And also I think if the weather or any condition that it's very good, it is better for held in classroom activity in offline. That's
Okay, I agree with your answer. And so that's all my question. I appreciate your all your answer.
Thank you so much.
Yes. And thank you. See you next time.
See you.
See you. Hello sister, what is your name?
My name is Shakira Zahida.
Okay, Sister Shakira. So I want to ask you some questions. The first question is, what do you think about learning in the classroom?
Okay. I think it's the normal method in many school, many country. That's the normal method. But this is not about where's the place, but how the teacher delivered the subject. How the teacher make the subject is interesting. If the teacher can deliver the subject interesting and make the student excited with the subject, I think never mind of the place, that can be effective if the teacher can deliver the subject joyful and make interaction with the students with games or discussion or anything else.
Okay, that's interesting answer. So the next question is, do you enjoy learning in the classroom? Why and why not?
Okay, that can be two answers. The first answer is yes, I do. I can enjoy in the class if the class interesting. If the teacher can deliver the subject with joyful, with some discussion and make interaction with the student, I can enjoy the class if like that. But if the class, the subject is bored and we are in the classroom, I think maybe I can sleep in the class because bored. Yes. Okay, I think that my answer. I can enjoy in the class if the teacher can deliver the subject interesting, but I can also not enjoy the class because the subject is bored and nothing interaction between teacher and students.
I actually agree with your answer, yeah. And the last question is, do you think offline learning is better than online learning?
Okay, yes, I think so. Online is not effective, I think. Offline better than online learning because from effectively and how the teacher, how the subject delivered to the student, that maybe I think offline most effective gitu. I think, yeah, I think so.
Okay, Sister Shakira, I really appreciate you for answering my question, and thank you for your answer.
Okay, you're welcome.
See you. Hello, sister. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Novia Zahra.
Okay, Sister Novia. So I want to ask you some questions. So the first question is, what do you think about learning in the classroom?
Oh, about learning in the classroom, I think it's more efficient because we just come to the class and so many friends over there that make me not enjoy but can engage with my friends, especially in the university life, because I can learn with myself. So when I got the difficult task, I can ask or can ask to my friends who already understand about the material.
Okay, I agree with your answer. And the next question is, do you enjoy learning in the class, or do you not enjoy? Why and why not?
Enjoy if I think if my body is still hot, because when I got the ill or maybe I have the first day of my period, I cannot enjoy. The first thing that make me enjoy, like I said before, because I can face to face with my friends, and also I can ask to my lecturer what the material that very make me confused. But the reason why not enjoy, because if you get the sick, I can do anything, especially as the period it's so like a bad day.
Okay. And the last question is, do you think offline learning is better than online learning?
Yeah, of course, because as we know, the for this semester, for this period, or for this era, we should do student center. But how we can make the student center if we meet by Gmeet or Zoom? So it's so difficult, I think, both of the students to understand the material and of course with the teachers or the lecturer who deliver the topic about some topic that should we understand as a student in the meeting rooms.
Also, it's not that effective, yes.
Yeah, it's less effective, also not efficient.
Okay, I think that's all my question. I really appreciate all your answer. Thank you, sister. See you. Bye. Hello, sister. What is your name?
Hello, my name is Keisha Fitria Hendrawan.
Hello, Sister Keisha. So I want to ask you about some questions. So the first question is, what do you think about learning in the classroom?
Okay, well, so as a student, of course, in my opinion, offline learning in the classroom, I think it feels more like effective for me, and it's one of the best way to study for me, because when I am in the class physically, I can understand things and then just ask to the teacher when I'm confused about the material, and of course I can share my opinion to others. We're going deep into the conversation, and we can can just have something like work and together, something like that.
Okay, that's interesting answer. And the next question is, do you enjoy learning in the class? Why or why not?
Of course, I do really enjoy it because also from my experience, when I'm in a class, I can feel more alive because I have my friends. We can laugh together, we can discuss, and we can just have a random. But of course, it can more deep with conversation, and also I really enjoy because the atmosphere is different. You know, they got the spirit, they got the excitement, and then of course something feel like enthusiast to study, so I can have their energy to study more way better and better.
Okay, I agree with your answer actually. Okay. And the last question is, do you think offline learning is better than online learning?
So it's based on the situation, I guess.
Oh,
Yeah, because offline learning in the classroom will be the best way to study. Because when I'm in the class, I'm not. I really pay attention to the teacher, to the material, to the discuss. But when I'm on the online classroom, I can easily get distracted by my phone. Like I can wait to check my phone to replay my friend's text and just scroll in the marketplace. So yeah, it's the best way is offline classroom, I guess, yeah. But in different situation, online classroom is also useful because when we want to study from afar, from anywhere, we can just access by online, right? So yeah, it can be more useful when we are far from the class. We can just access online. We can just yeah, study by alone. But when we want to get a focus or get motivated, get discipline more in the class, it will be the best way in the offline classroom.
okay, so it you you think the classroom when it's offline is better, yes?
Yeah, I think it's more to the offline classroom.
Okay. Okay, I think that's all my question. Okay. I really appreciate all your answer. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, my pleasure.
See you next
See you
time.
next time.